I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining.
Hello friends, welcome to It's Ram Keith. Today we have come up with a superfood Moringa leaves soup, a need of the hour, especially during the season. Again, my mother, who's cleaning the Moringa leaves, or you call it as drumstick leaves, very diligently. So the leaves have to be picked properly from the stem and washed completely and kept aside. You can pick it from the tree and it's available in the market as well. All that we need is very few ingredients to make the soup. Definitely moringa leaves, 1 onion, tomato, few green chilies, and like chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Curry leaves, of course. So she is chopping tomatoes and onions. So everything is getting ready for the soup. And curry leaves and moringa leaves, she's not chopping it, she's adding pepper, cumin seeds and garlic, and she's making making a fine powder out of it. Don't have to be fine. So in a pot, water is getting boiled, whereas she has added onions, tomatoes, curry leaves and all the masalas that she has taken. So it's there to boil. So you need to boil these masalas. Never boil moringa leaves because it should not be boiled completely. So the masalas that I told you, cumin seeds, pepper, garlic, along with chili powder, turmeric and salt. Everything is there in this pot, boiling along with onions and tomatoes. So the garlic and pepper is going to be a real good thing for your intestine. Once it is finally done, you put the whole bunch of moringa leaves along with the tender stem and turn it off and close the lid. In the heat itself, it gets cooked. It's ready to serve. It's almost done now. So you put the soup, you don't have to strain it. Just take it in a ladle, put the soup in the bowl and add few moringa leaves to it. Do not overcook it. It has to be tender and soft. Otherwise, it gives a kind of bitterness. You don't want to have it. So it really tastes well this way. And it's very good during this time, especially for your throat and other infection. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
டேஸ்டான ஹெல்த்தியான முருங்கைக்கீரை சூப்பு ரெடி.